Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the Daily Options Trade. I've pushed this about as far as I can, so I need to roll this ATVI for another week at least. It's almost closing. It had a good pop, so it looks like it's good, but I'm gonna roll it anyway. So 60 cents, $1.08, $1.48. Okay, I want to go back here, 60 cents. And I want to see if I can roll it down. 30 cents. Alright, well, it does reduce my risk. Let's see how the numbers play. Okay, I do get a credit. Probability of profit 90%. Alright, sounds good to me. Let's roll with that. Let's see if it fills. Alright, looks like it already filled. So, awesome. Alright guys, piece of cake. Easy trade. That's all I have for now. I'm in danger here with DocuSign. And Chewy, I've already been assigned. Laser. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe. Be sure to tune in, see how I handle these. Alright guys, thanks for watching.